Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Dollar Tree haul video and one item that I purchased from Joann. So let me go ahead and share with you what I purchased. So I picked up this ribbon, they're calling it, and the blue and the white with the snow effect. I thought these were really pretty colors, and hopefully we'll be using those in some type of Christmas craft or decor. I also picked up these glitter vase fillers, and they're in the red and gold. Really pretty. Like those. I picked up some Christmas trees. They had these new colors. They have purple, red, and pink or peach. I really like these. I like them with the snow instead of the glitter ones because I don't really like glitter. So hopefully they use these in some type of decor in my craft room or either at my desk at work. I picked up this LED wire light, and it has 10 lights in here. This kind of looks like the Maggie Holmes trim that that she had out, but this is super pretty. I picked up a Avery glue stick. I figured it's an Avery name brand. I'll try it out. I haven't used a glue stick in a long time, so I'm excited to try out this. Picked up this really pretty ribbon for Halloween. I hadn't seen this ribbon on previous trips to a Dollar Tree, and I saw this, and it's kind of got a translucent look to it, but it's really nice. So I used this on a couple of Halloween cards, so you may want to check out the next video to see how I use these. I picked up also, they had a whole bunch of this ribbon, and it's Ofre, and this is the ribbon that's, I think they sell it at Joann and Hobby Lobby. Not Hobby Lobby, but Michael's. I'm not sure about Michael's, but they had a ton of these purple and orange, so I picked up the purple and orange. And then I had been looking for these clear cosmetic bags, and I found them in the clear and then the pink and the blue. I was really excited to find these. I want to see if I could put some vinyl on here, like some names on these. I just thought these were really pretty. So happy to find those. And then that's all from Dollar Tree that I have to show you. But from Joann, I picked up these label stickers by Tim Holtz, and they're sentiments, and they're like the little machine that you use. My machine is broke. I haven't even used it that much, but I can't get it to work. So when I saw these, I thought these would be really awesome. So I got 2 packs of those at Joann. So that's my quick haul I wanted to share with you. If you're a current subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you enjoyed this type of video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let me know. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.